クレーバトル予選第5試合05スクランブル VS ドラム式洗濯機 DJ アユレディ OK 参りましょうバトルスタート
Not shit slop. Nigga can't say shit about this hip hop. Cause I built dudes' lanes while that pit stop. Built they styles and they names Frankenstein rock. It's a high skate game dudes are playing in. I've been questioning a lot of y'all who made it in. Just move with the joint that we charter in. Make you disappear quick like you part of wind. Then laugh, ha ha, and laugh again. Look a little bit, I'm looking at your friend. Let's get an ass shake through the
Get
a little eye wink, throw a tongue twirl. We got a hemlock smashed in, tied down. We gon' rock 10 hot spots to ghost towns. But yo, tired. This just for the Nancy. Just for the classic. Hey, this just for the what?
Bust a bus ride. See, I ain't do that in a long time. Spit shit, make the streets do more crime. Cop some crib, cop a little alright, yeah, shush. I pity y'all. The way I bang niggas and how I shit on y'all. Like nigga, label put on y'all. You do my bang, bitch. We get a suck it off. Nigga, my money, me and my
Shout out to Senko ドラム式洗濯機